Hey there. Today's going to be a little bit of an experimental video. As a lot of you know, I am currently moving, a very, very long involved process with all the junk I've got. And getting another load for my house, and I came across a bunch of fun things. As you can see, all sorts of display technology, Nixies and things like that. So I got this metal drawer set when I was cleaning out an estate of an old Bell Labs scientist, and he was in the semiconductor division. And actually, he had some inventions and patents, I think, on some early transistor things, none of which were super important. But anyway, I was contacted to clean out this basement. He had died 18 years previously, and the stuff was sitting in a basement. Unfortunately, the basement got a little wet a couple of times, so there was a lot of sort of destroyed and corroded stuff. A shame, because this guy was one of those fabled people that was making transistors and ICs in his basement. Of course, he had the help of all that Bell Labs knowledge, but all sorts of good stuff there. And well, you know, I saved what I could save, but unfortunately, a lot of it was pretty trashed. But he had lots of parts. And I remember getting this tray out of a steel bit of lab furniture, you know, kind of a chest of drawers of these things, and he had all sorts of parts. Well, I came across this. Now, truth of the matter is, I have not looked at this tray for 6-7 years. I don't know. Let's go through it and see what we can find. I really don't know what's in here, other than it's a lot of cool Nixies and things like that. So, yeah, let's just have fun. You can see. Well, right off the bat, what is that? Okay, that's an odd one. Right off the bat, that's obviously a non-numeric one. Let's see if we can get this thing to focus. You know what? There we go. Looks like one of those plus-minus types. Burroughs B5442. Excuse my dog-bitten finger there. Thumb. Pretty standard-looking Burroughs Nixie there. No, that's a National, but it's a Burroughs design. Another National. You can see it's got that base there. More Nationals. A bunch of Nationals. I don't know, maybe these were spare parts for some. Oh, hey, that's an interesting one. That's obviously one that was made for a multimeter or something like that, or frequency counter. I see a micro, I see an S, a V, I see HZ. Hopefully you will focus. There we go. Who made this one? Oh, this is a National as well. National NL867, it looks like. Oh, that's a neat one. Once I had one that was the directions of a compass, which was really cool. NSEW. Probably a custom job. Pretty standard looking guy there. Another standard looking one there. Let's see what else we have. Another Burroughs. That's a real Burroughs there. There's one of the Amperex ones. Now these are neat. These are, it's got to be the other half, hopefully, somewhere in here. The early Dialco 7-segment displays, where you actually, oh, okay, here we go. Looks like we might have the innards of one. Nope, that's something different. But you can see it just has little baffles there, light baffles, so you could, you know, stick light bulbs in there and get your 7 segments. This actually looks like the one that's on the big IBM System 3s. They had a big 7-segment display, 2 digits, and it would give, well, very short system messages like EJ was end job and things like that. But there you go. I hope the other bit's in there somewhere. More pretty standard looking burrows. Yep, Nixie. Hopefully there's a pixie tube in here. I don't know where my pixie tubes are, but I should make a video on those. Well, here's one of these little leaded guys. Apparently new in the box from Time Electronics Sale. Where are they? Great Neck, New York. All right. Do not open until ready to use. Okay. Another Dialco light baffle. Don't quite see the back ends of these things yet, though. Oh, there's another one of these. Well, this one looks like it's got some use on it. Another one of these ones with the volts and hertz and micro and milli, and you can see a K for kilo ohm or kilohertz. I wonder if there's an ohm sign in there. I can't quite tell. Interesting. That one looks like it's got yeah, that one's got a lot of use on it. Pretty standard looking burrows there. More standard looking stuff. There's another one of these Amperex ZM1000s. I don't like the bases on these things. They're these cheesy little pins. That one looks like it's got a bunch of solder on it. Usually these things go into sockets, but I have to wonder if someone pulled this right off of a board, because look at all the solder on that darn thing. Moving on, more standard stuff. A lot of Nationals in here. National apparently got the rights to... Oh, that one's busted. Yeah, you can see the pins off of that one. Or the tip, rather, is off of that one. So that one's a... That's a dead guy. We'll stick him over there. Now, here's another interesting thing. Who made this one here? IEE. Okay, they were a big maker of display tubes and things like that. And well, here's another 7-segment display, and you can see this one apparently works with neon bulbs. They are frosted, looks like. So I wonder if that's actually green rather than orange. I don't know. Doesn't look like it's ever been used. To the not pins, but the lugs look nice and clean. Oh, that's kind of neat. I guess there's only one of them in there. Oh well. But early 7-segment stuff. More stand. Oh, here's a... There. There's one of these little guys here. Little Nixie. These were pretty common in frequency counters and little voltmeters and stuff like that. Once again, I never liked the cheesy wire pins, and God help you if that plastic pin holder slides off. You will not be able to get all those things on all the pins through all those holes very easily at all. Looks like we have some Sperry Panaplexes with the sockets. Well, that's cool. More of these guys here. Don't see the back ends of them though. Maybe they're not in here. More pretty standard Nixies. Oh, this one's neat. Tiny little guy. Looks like it's a plus minus there. It's got a weird rubber coating on it. I guess that's a, come on, focus. B4031? 4051 maybe? Looks like no numbers. Looks like just plus minus. Neat. Never seen that one before. More. Guy must have gotten a deal on national Nixie clones. Another Amperex. Ooh, sockets. Sockets. We like the sockets. Often the sockets are harder to find than the tubes. Move that over into frame. More. Another Amperex. Another socket. Another little Nixie. Got a VFD here. Can we tell who made it? And it says B or 85C or B5C. Pulled out of something. Yeah, probably a calculator or something like that. neat, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Now, these look neat. Sperry. This is interesting. SP42509. Let's see. It's made on a ceramic substrate. Maybe that's a VFD, just an extremely flat one. See the seal off tip there. Huh, I'll have to look that one up. And then looks like it's from a clock. Yeah, I guess that's from a clock. Oh, there's another one right here. Oh, I wonder if that goes with that. There we go. Huh. Probably from a watch, maybe. I don't know. Early LCD? Maybe. I don't know. So, yeah, there you have it. Kind of an interesting tour of an unknown box of crap. Yeah, no huge mega rare things, I don't think. But yeah, I thought I'd make a video and go through this exploration of a unknown box here, or suitably unknown, being that I completely forgot about it, essentially. Well, I guess I knew it, I had it, but literally I haven't looked at this in 6 years until a few days ago. Well, so I don't know, like I said, an experimental video. Let me know if you like to see more of these. You know, if I buy tubes like an idiot, actually. I often buy hundreds, thousands of loose tubes at a time, and I do enjoy sorting through it and picking out all the good ones, and, you know, sometimes rare brands, rare types. Let me know if you want to see that. I don't know. It's maybe this is boring as hell. I don't know. But, well, let me know in the comments, and maybe give it a like or whatever. Looks like I've got some Nixies to play with here. Okay, well, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.